Cash App is one of the biggest money transfer platforms out there, and I can honestly see why. With millions of people using it every single day, it's pretty safe to say that a lot of people enjoy using this app. But what if I told you I was able to go ahead and turn it into a passive money making machine? There's this feature inside of Cash App that they don't want you to go ahead and know about, but I've been able to go ahead and abuse it over and over again to make hundreds every single day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to exactly do it. Let's go. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to make money from Cash App in 2023. If you guys watched my previous video, I gave out some very helpful tips on how you guys can go ahead and make money from Cash App, but I definitely need to go ahead and update you guys with my findings since I've been able to go ahead and scale up to hundreds of dollars per day. But if you guys want to go ahead and learn more about making money from these apps, then I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video. It would actually mean a lot and will actually make sure that you stay updated with the latest and greatest methods. But anyways, let's go to jump right into it. To get started, all you guys got to go ahead and do is go into Google Play or the App Store, and you guys want to go ahead and type in Cash App, and you're to come across an app looking like this. Simply go ahead and install it. For me, it does say open, and once you guys go ahead and get into the app, you need to go ahead and sign up for a brand new account. This does not work unless you guys go ahead and make a brand new account. Once you guys go ahead and get to a section where it says enter a referral code, type in the code NKLRGHL, and that code is going to go ahead and give you guys a free $1 once you guys go ahead and put it in. No problem if you guys forget to put in the code. It's very important to have a new account though, but go up to the top right and go down to the very bottom, and it's going to go to say enter referral code. For me, I already put it in myself, so I'm not going to go ahead and see it, but NKLRGHL is going to be the code, and you guys will go ahead and get a free $5 once you guys link a bank card, and you guys got to go in and send $5 to a friend, and it's literally free money. So you can send this $5 anywhere, and it's literally just like an infinite money glitch. But let me show you guys how to go ahead and do this for yourselves. If you guys want to go ahead and earn money that is even above what I just gave you, I just gave you guys a free $5, so you guys can thank me in the comment section. But scroll all the way to the top where it says invite friends and get $20. For me, that's what it says, but for you, it's going to go ahead and say $5. I think it's just because I have done well over $100,000 in transactions on Cash App. I really like the app, but taking a look at this, we can see that we can invite all of these people here. This is like my contact list. I'm going to go ahead and blur out their names, but you can see that it does have like invite, and you can just simply send them a message through Messenger, and it's really that simple, and you guys can go ahead and make money that easily. Some people will have $10, $15, but I do believe I have the highest Cash App referral, and I think it's because of my high transaction volumes that I be doing on this app. But let me show you guys proof that this actually works, because a lot of people were kind of skeptical, and it actually does. Literally less than an hour ago, I actually received this notification that I did get a referral bonus. I got $20 based on literally just inviting this one person. How crazy is that? That is $20 for free. So if you guys are not doing this, I don't know what to tell you guys. It's so easy, and I'm making hundreds of dollars per day, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. If you go into your transactions here, you can see that these are all the people that I have invited, and a lot of people that are watching this video will actually be a part of this list as well. And you guys can go ahead and get a free $5 simply by sending your friends the link, and they can go ahead and sign up for Cash App, and make sure that they sign up with a new Cash App account. It's very, very important, and you guys are going to get yourselves a free $5. Some other things I do want to say about Cash App, they do have pretty good benefits. Coming over to the card section, it's literally the second icon in. You can go over here, and you can see that there's so many different discounts that you can go ahead and get. You can get 20% off of DoorDash. You can go ahead and get Discord Nitro for virtually free. And there's just so much going on. There's JCPenney, just so many things that you can go ahead and take advantage of, especially if you guys have the Cash App card. So highly recommend going ahead and signing up for it. It's literally free, and I believe it does cost like maybe $5 to get a virtual or a physical card. I'm not 100% sure, but let me show you guys the next method, how you guys can go ahead and get free money on Cash App. So let's go. For our next method, is going to be paid-to-earn.com, and you guys can see right here that it does actually offer Cash App as a reward for literally completing surveys, downloading apps, and so much more. So all you got to go ahead and do is complete some of the offers right here. I really recommend Bite Labs is actually one of the best, and there's just so many different offer walls that you guys can go ahead and complete, and you can see that they're going to go ahead and give you guys some points. So let's go ahead and click on these. So taking a look at the rewards here, some are like 14,000, some are 17,000, and so on, and that literally just means that they are $14, $17. So if you guys go ahead and complete these offers, you guys can go ahead and get legitimate free money just like that. Take a look at Cash App, and you can go ahead and request a withdrawal through Cash App and go ahead and get your money as easy as that. The offers are super easy, and anybody can go ahead and do these. You can do them on your phone, you can go ahead and do them on your desktop, and I highly recommend using this app. And this is pretty much how I'm able to go ahead and make money on Cash App as well, alongside actually getting the Cash App invitation bonuses, because those are pretty profitable. But this site is actually really good as well. But let's head back over to the phone, because I got another method that is going to be even easier to go ahead and get free Cash App money. For our next method, it's going to be Adipole, and this app has made me a decent amount of money in the past day, and I wanted to go ahead and give them a special shout out. So let's go ahead and check it out. All you guys got to go ahead and do is search Adipole in the Google Play or App Store. You guys can go ahead and simply install it like this. This is going to go ahead and tell you to go ahead and put in a code. So you want to say dbfcm. You want to go ahead and put it in exactly like that, dbfcm, and that code is going to be giving you guys a free 50 cents. You guys can go ahead and see that my balance is actually $7.25, meaning that I can go ahead and cash out. But let me show you guys how to go ahead and transfer this money to Cash App, because I know you guys are looking for that. Simply head over to the PayPal option. You want to go ahead and transfer it to PayPal. Then you want to go ahead and transfer it to your cash card. So let's go over to Cash App. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to your cash card, simply like that. And it is really that simple. So you transfer the money from Adipole to your PayPal, and then you go ahead and transfer the money from PayPal to your cash card, and now you can go ahead and have it on your Cash App balance. It's really that simple to go ahead and get money on Cash App, and anybody can go ahead and do it. Basically what this app is, though, that it lets you go ahead and take paid surveys. You can see some of these are worth like $2, $1, a couple cents, but make sure to go ahead and answer them very truthfully, because they will have speed traps such as what color is snow and things like that. So you got to be very careful, but you can go ahead and get free money just by answering truthfully and just being honest with all your answers. And that's how I was able to go ahead and make already $7, and I'm actually been doing this for a couple hours now, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So let's go ahead and jump into the next app, because this one is even crazier. I made so much money off this. Our last app is going to be called Eureka, and this is yet again another paid survey app, but let's go ahead and simply open it. When you guys are signing up, you guys can go ahead and type in the referral code GUDW4I, and that code is going to give you guys a free $1. And who doesn't like free money? So that's why I recommend signing up for all these apps. I'm just literally handing out free money today. Already gave you guys $10, and it's honestly really simple. Taking a look over here, this is where you can go ahead and put in a referral code, and you can see I have recommended over 1,000 people. Isn't that pretty crazy, guys? And made over $500 for recommending 1,000 people to go ahead and check out this app, and I already have about $70 in my balance. So literally type in enter code, and the code is going to be GUDW4I, and that's pretty much how you're able to go ahead and make some free money. It's going to give you a free $1 survey, and here's all the rewards that they give you, and you can go ahead and cash out to these various different methods. Take a look at this. They have so much going on. They have Lowe's gift cards, but what you're looking for is PayPal. You can go ahead and cash out to PayPal or Visa and use the Visa gift card on your Cash App, and that's how easy it is to go ahead and get free Cash App money. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I know this video is probably helpful to everyone, especially if you're looking to go ahead and get some free money in 2023, and this is the newest updated method on how to go ahead and do so and get your funds up. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time for the next video on Shiftery Reviews. Bye!